today's vlog is sponsored by Skims, and I could not be more happier about this. I live in Skims. I dove in to Skims with everyone else in 2020, and I have been utterly obsessed ever since. Skims sent me pieces from their Fits Everybody collection, and when they say fits everybody, they're not lying. This type of fabric is so buttery soft, so smooth, but it like expands and contrasts with your body in the most amazing way. So let's talk bras. Starting off strong, we have the push-up demi bra. This is in the color clay. This is the closest to my skin tone. They have a wide array of matching tones for all skin types, which is absolutely incredible. This, in my opinion, is the perfect, most natural push-up bra that I found on the market. I'm actually wearing the exact same one in black. It's padded, but not too padded. It has an underwire, but I swear to you, I don't feel it. The straps themselves are super comfortable, don't dig into your shoulders, and then this is the best part of these bras. They're so smooth. They don't leave massive rolls behind your back, and I love that I can wear this bra and not worry about that. This is the unlined demi bra in clay, the same color. This, however, has zero padding and zero push-up. It's just a very thin, soft, buttery material. It does come with an underwire to give you just a little bit of a lift, but it's very natural. So if you're a natural girly, this is the one for you. Now, those are the more classic bras. Let's get into bralettes. This is the scoop neck bralette in the color Onyx, and this is the racer back bralette in clay, again from the Fits Everybody collection. These two, butter. Cannot recommend these enough. Lazy day at home, but you want a bra? This. Running errands and you don't want to throw on a bra? This. My current goal in life is to switch all of my underwear out to Skims underwear because these thongs are to die for. This is the dipped front thong in clay. Nothing feels more flattering than this because they come up so high in like the best way. I obviously got this one in the color clay, but they have so many other options. I also have this in Onyx that I purchased on my own. And then last but not least, we have the Fits Everybody t-shirt in Onyx. These things I live in. It is the best material. It is so stretchy and it hugs in all the right places. In general, the Fits Everybody collection just molds to your body in the absolute best way, and if you haven't tried it, you have to try it. So click the link in the description to check out the Fits Everybody collection and even more perfect essentials that I guarantee you probably need. Plus, you can get free shipping on orders over $75. And then after you place your order, please be sure to let them know that you heard about them from me. Select YouTube in the survey and be sure to click my channel in the drop-down menu that follows. And if you're looking for the perfect gifts for your whole family this holiday season, Skims just launched their biggest holiday gift shop ever. Also available at skims.com. So happy shopping. Look whose car we're in.
Not yours.
This is nostalgic. It even smells nostalgic. It smells like the good old times. It just smells like school. It smells like running to Target and getting Starbucks and Panera. Yeah, like that's what it feels like. All of those things came running back to me the second I smelled this smell.
Isn't it kind of like humbling?
Oh, 100%. I haven't been in this car really since you got it back.
The first time I went in it ever, like after giving it to mom and dad, it was a few years, and I literally was like tripping out.
Yeah, it's so wild how these things hold so many memories and so many feelings.
You know what it smells? It's smelling frugal.
And we love that. Speaking of nostalgia, we're doing one of the most nostalgic things. We were running to Target, and I haven't done a Target vlog since probably Vlogmas last year. And I haven't done a Target vlog with Alicia since probably way longer than that.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah, when was the last time?
You're right.
Alicia has a bunch of things she needs. I really don't need much, but I really am in the mood to bake something. So I was thinking of looking up a fun little healthy dessert for tonight. Maybe a healthy cookie, a healthy muffin, something like that. You know what? I need to get mac and cheese stuff.
Oh, yeah.
For Remy's. I need to look up a mac and cheese recipe and then something sweet.
I love a blue box.
No one wants your opinion.
Wrong.
No one asked
go wrong
your thoughts.
With a blue box.
Something Alicia and I have always debated is she is a Kraft mac and cheese blue box girly through and through, and I have always loved Velveeta boxed mac and cheese. I like blue box too, but it's dry and powdery, and I want the creamy cheesiness.
That's why you gotta add the butter. You gotta add the milk.
For sure.
You gotta make it soup.
But it's not thick. It's not thick, and I like it thick.
No, the thick feels more fake to me.
Comment below which one you prefer, blue box or Velveeta. Meanwhile, I'm gonna look up some recipes. I just need to find cherry juice. I don't know what aisle that would be on. But for my mocktail, my sleepy time mocktail, I need cherry juice. My entire For You page has become clean girl, healthy girl, and it all starts with good sleep girl. It's cherry juice, this poppy, because we don't have the raspberry kind. There's also magnesium in it, so you will taste that like on the like top.
I don't love it, but I could do it.
It's supposed to help you sleep though.
No, it's slay. I need to sleep.
It's good.
I don't love the flavor of this.
The magnesium. Well, that's the main part though.
Well, let's see how we sleep. Cheers!
This was the best timing that has ever happened, ever. My Revolve package order came literally just as I was starting to pack for our trip this week. I got a bunch of like fun things this time that I'm very much looking forward to. More styleable pieces, I think. I got this really cute sleeveless turtleneck sweater, but the reason I love it so much is because it's not just sleeveless, it's like fully cut out on the side. Would look so great with slacks, some white linen pants, some denim. I can do so many things with this. It's totally my vibe and I'm so excited to wear it. I'm definitely packing it. And this is from the brand L'Academie. Another L'Academie piece. I got this really cute cream colored leather skirt. This together, stunning, stunning, and so effortless, like so easy to piece together. This always happens to me. Another L'Academie piece, didn't plan it. This is kind of a cropped long sleeve, big billowy sleeve sweater. It's collared, but it has this really pretty low V cut to it. And that, even though it's cropped, is very warm. So definitely packing that one. Look at this leather jacket. Oh my God, you guys, it's L'Academie again. This is a beautiful kind of like leather bomber. I love the detail here. So it's a dark brown leather, but the edges are kind of worn looking. They were actually out of a size medium, which I normally am. And it took me a long time to decide if I wanted to get a large or a small and size down. I ended up going with a small and I'm glad I did. But here's the best part. It has a matching skirt, but I'm so excited to wear both of these together, but obviously we'll be wearing them separately as well. They're such great staple pieces. They just happen to look sick together. Speaking of long maxi skirts, I ended up getting this girlfriend denim maxi skirt. I don't know if you guys saw some of my posts recently. I've been borrowing a lot of Alicia's maxi skirts since I moved in. The more I've been wearing them, the more I just love them. So decided to not only get the brown leather one, but my own denim one. All right, this is the brand LPA, and this is something that just reminds me so much of high school. This is so cute. This is this LPA sweater material shrug, and it goes just to your like mid back. Keeps your arms covered, but keeps you not too hot. And what I love about this is it's a sweater material, but it's not too thick. So it's great for out here in LA. Even with the denim skirt, a little tank top in this, done. So cute. If there's one thing about me, it's that I love a sweater vest, and I ended up getting a very oversized green one. I live for a solid pair of denim and like a baggy sweater vest like this with nothing underneath it. It's like one of my favorite things. Show off your arms, show off your like bralette underneath it just a little bit. I love this color. I don't have this color at all. So it's great for holidays. I figured I would just get some simple tops to go like over pants, skirts, mix and match, whatever. This is from the brand Camila Cabello, which we have loved. This is a really cute corset. I have gotten multiple corsets from her and other brands from Revolve in this exact same shape because I love them so much. So anytime there's like last minute dinner plans, I'll just like slick my hair back, put this on in a pair of jeans and heels, and I'm good. From Super Down, I got a really cute long sleeve that zips up and down. It's like a two-way zipper down the middle. Super layerable and warm, but also not too warm. So it's a good long sleeve for LA. I got this last little corset from Super Down. It's just so me. It is gray. It has different layers and it looks like it should go with like a pair of slacks or something, but I feel like I could wear a pair of baggy jeans and this over the top. And I just like how this kind of layers. It's just really fun to look at and just different. And I don't have anything like it. And then last but not least, this is House of Harlow. Everything they make is incredible. And I have to tell you, when I saw these boots, I was like, I have to have them. It is basically a simple black leather cowboy boot with a nice chunky heel. This is like a wider heel than normal. I know you guys are probably going, didn't you just get a pair of black boots in New York? I did, but those are stiletto and they're really low and I love them, but they're not for like out and about. But this is walkable in. This is good. This is doable. I can like stomp around taking the stagecoach if I want. These can go with literally everything I just showed you. Literally everything. So now I need to figure out exactly what I want to bring with me. For Carmel, I'm thinking I'll bring the denim skirts. I'm definitely bringing this and this skirt. Probably this too. Okay, I'm so excited. Now we gotta get to packing. Let's pack my bathroom bag. Lately, I feel like I've been traveling a lot this year. I've gotten really good at like what I need to pack. And here's the key, mini. And I hate it because I want to get the full-size products, but it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous trying to travel with full-size products. Obviously I can, we're driving, but seriously, ridiculous. The Osea Ocean Cleanser, I'm obsessed. It's coming in the bag. I've been really loving this Ren Clean Skincare Under Eye Brightening Cream. The Caudalie Resveratrol Lift. I've never really known how to say that. Coming with deodorant, a cleansing balm, because I'll be wearing makeup, a moisturizer. This is a new one. I quite literally used every last drop of this last Tatcha moisturizer. This is the Dewy Skin Cream. It's one of their classics. It's absolutely incredible. I'm going to be switching it out with the Indigo Overnight Repair. I am excited to try this one because this is like a thicker, like overnight one. So that'll be coming. Toothbrush, flosser, tongue scraper. I don't travel unless I have one of these, specifically the Dr. Jart Vital Hydration Solution. Definitely more on the expensive side as far as sheet masks go, but worth it. Medication, this is my little pill box. I love this thing. I got this from Amazon years ago. That's coming. I've been loving my new face, but I don't want to bring it because it's only 2 nights. I can go 2 nights without it, but I will be bringing my little gua sha. Toothpaste. I have plenty of extra hair ties, but I'm also going to be bringing these because it's a game changer with the bangs when you're washing your face. A razor. Forgot my razor. We're bringing my razor. Now let's move on to makeup. I did go to Sephora earlier yesterday and I got this new Patrick Ta She's Blushing Blush. You guys, I cannot. His packaging is so good and look at how beautiful this is. We have a cream and a powder, and the powder has a little bit of a shimmer to it. I came this close to getting the blush brush that he has. I have his, where is it? I have his bronzer brush and I'm obsessed with it. It's one of the best things. It's so compact, versatile. I use it every single day. It's absolutely incredible. I talked myself out of getting the blush brush and I was like, you know what? I know I have an angled brush somewhere in here that I can bring. See, I told you. I didn't need it. So let's just reevaluate here. On the brushes, what do I actually need? Okay, brushes are packed. This is a like Morphe bag, brush bag that I've had for years. That's coming. I have my little beauty blender carrier that I'm obsessed with. This is dirty though, so we're gonna have to wash this. We're just gonna let her air dry while we continue on with the makeup. We are bringing the Lancer Tinted Moisturizer. This is the best sunscreen and it's tinted. and it's a universal tint with zinc. So it is good for any skin type. It doesn't get better than this. I stole this from Alicia, Makeup by Mario. It is a beautiful like 3-shade bronzer with highlighter. We're also bringing a little skin tint for when I don't want to wear makeup, if we, you know, are just lounging or hanging out. You guys already know I've gotten good at brushing my brows up. Finally, very excited for that. So we're packing all of that. I also got my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray in the mini size because travel. I have one here, but we're almost out. So I think I'm actually going to pack this one to avoid running out because we wouldn't want that. And then I can always pour that into this one later on.